Hello, United Methodist Women. I'm Kennedy Bowser. I help run communications for Texas Conference United Methodist Women. I have revamped the website. I have gotten Texas Conference on social media. And why I'm talking to you about social media is because I'm going to be teaching a workshop on how to use social media in your United Methodist women's units, groups, districts, and your churches. This is not just insight for United Methodist women. This could teach you how to use social media in your everyday life, but also teach you how to get young women involved in your unit. It also could teach you how to get young people involved in your church, how to engage them. In the workshop, we're going to talk about how to use social media. We're also going to talk about how social media is changing the way you communicate with others. In this workshop, I will teach you how to use social media in the right ways, from using Facebook pages, Twitter, and Instagram, and YouTube. That is why I'm making a video to explain my class, because in this era of technology, video is the thing. So why should you attend my workshop is because I think that you can learn something, you can take something back to your church, your unit, and also learn how to communicate with young women. When I first came into United Methodist Women, it was because I was helping my grandma with communications for Texas Conference. I was scared, I was nervous, I didn't know what to expect. And that's how a lot of young people are. We don't know how we're going to be perceived by the older generations. A lot of times we feel like we're being judged. So in the study, I will teach you those simple ways of communicating with young people, but also how to interact and get them involved, and what things you can change to make your unit better and get young people involved through social media and all this new technology. If you would like to read the book Not Safe for Church, it's a great read and I'll be using it in my study, but it's really great to read it before you come in, and if not, you can read it after. I look forward to seeing you in my class.